Good morning and welcome to today's unboxing. Today we'll be looking at the Warlord Games US Army Command for bolt action, because unlike everybody else at the moment, I'm not doing a winter army. Let's have a look at what we get. As usual, very secure packaging. There we go. And packed by Anna. Thank you very much, Anna. Right. We get a medic, which is a single piece stretcher bearer, and then we get two officers, or officer and Batman, with a choice of 3 heads, 2 helmeted and 1 in the knitted cap. Just give these a quick clean up. See, the only real issue if we clean up our casting vents. So he's got a Thompson, and there we go. And now let me get these onto their bases and they'll be ready to prime.